Class in session, guys. All right, just dropping another video. And this one is embrace the dark side. I'm sure you've all heard this before. Oh, this person's dark side came out. Or, ooh, follow the light, follow the light. I'm not talking about a dark side in that sense where the devil comes out of you and you start, going into some freaky deaky mode. I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is the dark side in regards to what cannot be seen with the physical eyes. I'm talking about the mind's eye. I'm talking about your imagination. See, if you was to close your eyes right now, it would be very dark. Go ahead and close your eyes right now. You will just see black, right? And when you close your physical eyelids, automatically your mind's eye will be actively open and you can see images in your head. Doesn't matter what you're thinking, but the fact that it's dark in your imagination and you can envision whatever, it comes from a dark place because you can't see with the physical eyes what's in your head. You can only see with your mind's eye. So the point of this video is I want to encourage you guys to embrace the dark side in regards to your imagination. A lot of people daydream. A lot of people don't even know what they are thinking deep down inside. But if I was to tell you what you are thinking does have an effect on everything that comes into your life, it all stems from your imagination. Albert Einstein said, imagination is more important than knowledge, because you can read all the books you want at school. You can read all the college lectures and all these textbooks that they throw at you in university and stuff like that. But your imagination is always going to trump knowledge. What do I mean by that? Well, with knowledge, yeah, it's powerful when used. Your imagination is also powerful when used, but your imagination is also powerful when you're not using it consciously. I'm sure you've all heard the term visualization. And for all of you new age people and into the personal development in regards to envision your future and visualize and you attract and stuff like that, this is where I'm getting into. You want to embrace that dark part of you, the inside of you that can't physically be seen with the physical eyes. And I want you to actually start utilizing the imagination faculty, okay? See, when you utilize that faculty and you start envisioning for yourself a life that is completely different to what is going on around you right now, you watch whether it's today, tomorrow, or the day after, or in the near future, what you're envisioning will come to you, okay? So, in regards to visualization, if you're looking at your life right now and you're like, you know what, I'm not liking this. I wish I had a different physical life or a different kind of lifestyle. I want you to envision that in your mind. You look behind me right now, you see Bentavision all up on the wall, right? I remember when I used to be picturing Bentavision in my mind. You know, I was picturing the TV and film studios. I was picturing the different shows going on in my mind. I was picturing all the actors, the writers, the directors that were hired for projects. I was picturing the fun fair. I was picturing all the different characters. Oh my gosh, like I was really embracing my dark side, and even to this day, I still embrace my dark side, okay? Remember, I'm not talking devil. I'm not talking the dark side in regards to bad behavior or freaky deaky behavior. I'm talking about whatever you envision in your imagination, it is coming from a dark place. Think of the universe. Think of space. It's dark. It's black up there, right? Now, I ain't gone up there. I ain't physically seen it, but I know it is black. There's a thing called a black hole, and all of creation stems from a dark place. A baby in the womb, it stems from a dark place. This is another example of embracing your dark side. See, creation, guys, it always starts from an unseen, dark place. Whether it's your imagination or a woman's womb, it starts from a dark place. Whether it's a seed under the ground, it starts from a dark place. Thoughts become things. And before they come things, it starts off in your mind first. As in heaven, so on earth. Heaven, your mind. Earth, your physical reality where you open your eyes. So ask yourself this question. How can I embrace my dark side today for me to see what's in my mind in the future? This is Bent Vision dropping you a new video. So comment, like, subscribe, tap that bell button for notifications. Holla back.